Need to remove the Payjoy app from your device. The process depends on whether it's a standard app or a management profile. For most users, you can uninstall it just like any other app. Press and hold the Payjoy app icon on your screen and select Uninstall or Remove App. Confirm the deletion and the app will be gone. If Payjoy was installed as a device management profile common for financed phones, the process is different. You need to go into your device's settings. Navigate to Security or Device Administrators on Android or General and VPN and Device Management on iPhone. Find the Payjoy profile and tap Remove Management or Deactivate. A critical reminder, if your device is still under a Payjoy financing plan, uninstalling the app or profile may lock your phone. Always ensure your payment plan is completely paid off before proceeding. Once you've followed the correct steps for your situation, the Payjoy app will be successfully uninstalled from your device.